Hi everyone, welcome. Today we'll be going over 3-digit by 1-digit division problem. Whether if you're new to division or you want to brush up on your math skills or you're a parent like me wanting to teach your kids, this video should help. And as I go through two problems step by step. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I have the first problem on the board. It's 294 divided by 7. So we're going to go ahead and set this problem up. So first thing we want to do is 294, which is actually called the dividend. That's the number that you're taking divided by the divisor. In this case, the divisor is 7. So the 294 goes under your division bar, and then 7 goes in the front. All right, so now the next step is going to be to take the first number, this 2 right here, and then take 2 divided by 7. But notice in here, the 2 is too small to be divided into 7. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to move on to the second number. So we're going to do 29 divided by 7. So what that means is that how many times can a whole number 7 can be divided into 29 or go into the 29? So in this case, it's 4. And notice that I don't write it above the 2. And the reason why you don't do that is because we couldn't divide, the 2 is too small to be divided into the 7. So that's not where you want to write your answer starting out. You want to write it over the second number as we're dividing the 29 into 7. So that's why I placed my 4 above the 9. All right, so the next step is you're going to take the 4 times 7, which is 28, and you're going to write it below the 29. And then you're going to subtract 28 from 29. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to bring down this 4 down here. Okay, so now we have 14. So now we're going to figure out how many times can the 7 go into the 14, which in this case, it's 2. So we're going to take 2 times 7, which is 14. And then we're going to subtract the 14 minus 14, which the answer is 0. So this division problem does not have any remainder. It goes perfectly into the 294. So our answer to our first problem is 42 right here. Okay, so now let me go ahead and erase this, and then we'll go into our second problem. Okay, our second problem is 953 divided by 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and set up this problem. So 953 goes under your division bar, and then 4, which is your divisor, will go in the front. Okay, first step is you're going to take this 9, and you're going to see how many times can a 4 go into the 9. So which in this case is 2. So you're gonna take 2 times 4, which is 8. So you're gonna minus 8 from this 9. So which leaves us with 1. And then you're gonna bring down this 5. So this will become 15. So next, how many times can a 4 go into 15? So in this case, it's 3. So you're going to take 3 times 4, which is 12. And you're going to take 5 minus 2, which is 3. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So you're left with 3. And this is kind of another check for you. If this number is bigger than the 4 that you're dividing right here, then that means this number can be bigger. So just as a double check. So this number should always be less than this number. Okay, so now we're going to divide, bring down the 3. So this is 33. Then we're going to see how many times does a 4 go into 33. So in this case, it's 8. So 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, you're going to subtract the 32 from the 33. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and then 3 minus 3 is 0. So now this right here, one that we're left with, this is called a remainder. So then what you have to do is you have to put a R for remainder and then 1. So our answer to our second problem is 238 with a remainder of 1. So this is our answer. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you like the button below and subscribe for more video.